Hello, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how I made over 20K on Fiverr while working a 9-to-5 job. I want to inspire you that if I can do this, you can do this too. So, if you're watching this, and you still feel that you're skeptical about making money online or you feel you don't know what you're doing, this is a perfect video for you, because this is for the beginners out there who want to get in on the action, and have no idea where to start. Because I am telling you it's hard work, and if you put in the work it will really pay off, and you will find success very much like me. Now first, before I dig deeper into Fiverr. What is Fiverr Freelancing? Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for digital services, where individuals or companies can go to find freelancers with a skill that suits their needs. It's free to join Fiverr. There is no subscription required or fees to list your services. When an order is successfully delivered and completed, sellers receive 80% of the total order value. For example, if a service costs $10, the seller will receive $8 for a completed order. So Fiverr will take $2 for their service charge. When you first sign up, you are classified as a new seller, and you will be elevated to level 1 and level 2 once you maintain the standards that are set. Over 60 days your level will qualify for the next one. But if the standards are not maintained, you will be demoted. But not to worry, you can work your way up again. Well, I hope you are still interested to learn how to work on Fiverr and make a second income. I will see you in the next video where I will show you how to sign up on Fiverr and create your first gig. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Cheers!